We have with us Mr. Jouma'Khane, Chief of Education of UNICEF Iraq. Here at the 4th Kurdistan Education Forum, welcome to the forum, Mr. Jouma.
Thank you.
Mr. Jouma, what is the UNICEF top priority right now in helping teachers across Iraq and Kurdistan and build the modern skills?
For the last many years, UNICEF was working mostly on humanitarian education, education in emergencies. But last few years, our focus is more on building systems, working with the Ministry of Education and modernizing education response. One important thing for the teachers that we are working, that we are improving the teacher training skills. And there is a EU Talim project where we are working with the Ministry of Education to set the competencies for the teachers. So these are the same competencies. They are aligned with the international competency teacher competency frameworks. So we are moving ahead there to improve the teacher training and to ensure that they are equipped to provide a quality learning in the school.
You are talking about the teacher training. So there is a collaboration between UNICEF and Ministry of Education, and this collaboration are run by the employee of the Ministry of Education or employee of the UNICEF?
No, this is a relation between the UNICEF and Ministry of Education. At the central level, we work with the Ministry of Education, Iraq, and in Kurdistan level, we work with the Ministry of Education, Kurdistan. So everything is aligned with the Ministry of Education priorities. What we do, we just extend our technical support to the Ministry of Education. That include teacher training, like the EMIS, Education Management Information System, the data improvement, the learning assessments we are conducting, and the school-based management. So there is every area that is a priority for the Ministry of Education. We intervene and we support, we find a way that how to collaborate with the Ministry of Education.
Good, perfect. How can we make sure that teachers in the rural area, in the villages, are reached to all these educational training systems that you are collaborating with the Ministry of Education in the cities?
There is a digital platform the Ministry of Education in Kurdistan they develop, and it's a very good platform for the teacher training and for the professional training of the teachers. So it's developed in consultation and also the technical support that UNICEF has provided. So that platform is digital and can be accessible any part of the country. So the teachers across the governorate, they come, they can learn through using this digital platform. They learn different techniques. So it's not that they have to travel to some place to attend the training. So it's mainly the digital platform is available, and every teacher in the Kurdistan region, they have access to these modern techniques. They can learn and they can get more and more support from the Ministry of Education if they still feel that there are areas to improve. So for us, what we do, we are encouraging Ministry of Education to conduct learning assessments in the schools and also monitoring and data collection to see that where are the gaps and how we can further moderate the system, especially the teacher professional development component.
That's perfect. So technology now is a good tool to reach all cities, even all rural areas in any villages. What's the most important skills teachers need today to prepare students for the future?
I think pedagogical skills, the child-centered skills they need. Subject they can improve, and there are many ways that because mostly these teachers, they are subject specialists, so they know their subject, but how to interact and how to ensure there is an interaction when you are teaching and learning. So it's not a one-way communication from the teacher side. It has to be, there should be a good feedback mechanism also from the student side. So then you can understand the student need and also to improve and design program and to improve the education system, and then you can also ensure the quality of the education in the classrooms.
In your perspective, this is some personal question maybe. In your perspective, language is a barrier for our teachers to get all these resources. As you know, we don't have many translated resources to the Kurdish language, but maybe there's many resources in Arabic and in English language. So have you thought, the UNICEF thought to teach our teachers English language or Arabic language to help them to reach all these resources that is shared?
Well, it's good to understand the languages. Like a language is an asset for anyone. Like it's not only for the teachers, but for us, what language the children speak, I think that's very important for us. So a teacher should know the language of children. If it's Kurdish language, then of course the teacher should be specialized in Kurdish language. These digital platform that I was referring on teacher training, they are in Kurdish, and you can also translate them into English. Or there is also provision in future that we can also translate them in Arabic. But currently they are all available in Kurdish language for the teachers if they want to learn more and more topics for the pedagogy, for other professional development, so they can access through this platform. But at some point, teacher, if they think that these should be in English, so that English option is also available. So I think it's a good way forward, and learning those techniques are more important than learning the language. The language of the school and the community and the teacher and the students, that's very important for the teachers to understand that language. But other languages, they are definitely, especially the English and also Arabic, because this is spoken widely in the region. Yeah. So it's better that, that if we could introduce more and more language, but in a view not to burden the child and not to overburden the teachers.
I ask you this question because nowadays many schools are concentrated on the language more than teaching students the skills of the life even, not just the curriculum or any subjects that we have. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Joumعەخان, and for everything UNICEF is doing in Kurdistan, especially, and in Iraq. Have a great rest of this forum, and thank you for having you in my stage.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take care.